I would suggest that going to the groups, joining the Northeastern groups for different semesters, fall 2018 or spring 2019 or fall 2019. You should, a student should join such groups and make conversations with different people and find out that which person would be suitable for them to be as a roommate, and that's one approach I would say. And finding a house or renting a place in Boston is not that difficult, but it could be difficult depending on the circumstances. So looking onto sulekha.com or basically just googling any place, rent a place in Boston, that will help. The hard negotiations don't go as well as we think, because the people here know that many students will be coming over and they just don't lower the prices. So the more you negotiate with them, the harder it becomes for you to find a place. Just be free of everything you want to say with your roommates or any, for that matter, you should be free with everyone in America. It's a free country, so should be as much open as possible. When I came here, I used to spend about $600 per month, and like right now, it has been increased to over $850 per month. So it's a little bit expensive, but it's a good place to stay. Then food, I used to cook food. It's upon the person who wants to cook the food. The utilities over here are not that pricey. They are negligible, I would say, when compared to other expenses. The books, we can get the books from the libraries. I felt homesickness right after first month of landing in Boston. Then, so I would suggest anyone who is coming over here, just take homemade food, which your mom might make it, or any other person who makes it. Just take homemade food as much as possible, as much as it fits in your bags, which will suffice you and probably help you in homesickness. Professors here are very supportive. They help us a lot in everything. They give us a chance to think differently and make up our own projects, whatever we want to do it. They also help in those projects. So orientation is basically the introduction of your curriculum, or the introduction of the stream of your choice. What things happen all over the year, what things will happen throughout the whole coursework, what all things will be doing after the masters, before the masters, what are the prerequisites. They will just tell you everything in short. So it's very important, I would say. Come 10 to 15 days before the orientation day, so that you get acclimatized to this cold weather. They will only accept their own insurance. They won't accept any other insurance. Class composition actually depends on the course you have selected, because I would say the engineering courses have more of Asians, which comprise of Indians, Chinese, Japanese, Taiwanese, any of the South Asian countries. I would say my engineering courseworks class had about 30 to 40% of students with prior experience, and my supply chain classes had about 80 to 90% students with prior experience. So it differs pretty much from college to college. I actually used a lot of swimming, and then gymming, then playing the pool, table tennis, seminars. There are a lot of seminars going on inside the campus, so attending all the seminars. Then company meetups. So companies they just visit Northeastern University to talk with the students. All those things, everything was there. So we just have to choose the and prioritize what exact activity do you want to pursue, and you will find time to do that.